How to activate Commerzbank online banking. Now, in this video, I'm going to provide you additional details or information for you to activate your Commerzbank online banking. Now, take note that you can actually do both your mobile device and actually on the web version too. Now, what you want to have to do here is just type in Commerzbank, and then you just need to go into the login page. So they actually change their features below the login page right here. So before they actually have here like an option or a feature to request access. However, they have removed it. Now, if this is not set into English, just simply choose this option EN for you to be able to have this website on English. Now you can go into register for digital banking, but unfortunately you will not be able to change the language from here. So what you want to have to do to fully activate is to go into the contact tab. And you're gonna have to fill out necessary information, but do not include your banking details. Just let them know that you would like to request access or to activate your mobile banking online. And that's it. That's how you activate Commerce Bank online banking.